Hi Foxes, and welcome back to my channel. This is Brittany from SHOPFOXBURROW. I'm SHOPFOXBURROW on Poshmark, Instagram, and Etsy, and today I am here with a Stitch Fix unboxing. So you may or may not have noticed that last month in August I did not do a Stitch Fix video. There has just been so much going on, and I just gotten a Stitch Fix palette. So I opened up my Stitch Fix box and I did it on my own time, and there wasn't anything that I decided to keep that I really needed, so I didn't end up filming one, but I am back this month with another Stitch Fix box. This is technically my September box, but I didn't get it till the very end of September and I have not opened it yet, so we're going to find out what's inside. If fashion content and style content is something that you enjoy, please do go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I also post a lot of style inspiration, things that inspire me on my Instagram stories. If you want to follow me over on Instagram, I am SHOPFOXBURROW there too. And if you go ahead and click on my little icon, the little circle icon, you can see all of the stories that I post. I do post a lot of style content from men, from women, from everywhere in between, all different sizes, and just whatever inspires me, whatever I think is unique and fun, I'll post in my stories. So go check me out there if you like that kind of stuff. So if you didn't already know, Stitch Fix is a subscription box, and I have the Style Pass, which I've been a Stitch Fix customer for a while, so I pay $50 a year and I can have as many boxes as I want with no penalties and no styling fees. So I get a box every single month, and every now and then if I'm like really let down by my box, I'll get an extra one. But what happens is you fill out a style survey and then they will style 5 pieces for you that are supposed to match up with your size and your style. And last month I did get some cute things from my stylist, but none of it was like the right price and looked really great on me, like combo. So I didn't end up keeping anything, and I also forgot to give my stylist feedback, so I'm really hoping that they didn't like do anything weird and change my stylist, because I really liked her. So I'm just gonna check real quick to see if it is the same stylist. It is. Good. Okay, so this is what the inside of the box looks like, and this is what my burrito looks like. It's a little bit of a hot mess. Okay, here we go. And then a piece of jewelry just fell on the floor and stuff is falling out the back. So I'm just going to open this and show you guys. And as I go, I'll try on these pieces and let you see what they look like on a body and tell you whether I like them or not. And you can give me your opinions down in the comments below. What do you like? What do you not like? And help me decide if I should keep anything. So the first thing I'm going to open is actually going to be the accessory or jewelry piece. I'm kind of excited about it. Let's see. So, okay, these are just little dangly earrings. Let's see if I can make it focus here. Very pretty. I wouldn't say that they're not my style. I think that they probably are my style, but the color palette is a little bit more like spring. It's definitely got like the pastels in it, so I'm not sure if I would keep this now. If it had been earlier in the spring, I might have kept these, but I don't know. They're cute. We'll see. We'll see how much they are. Next up is a sweater. Oh my god. I don't think I like this, but I'll try it on. You guys can see. This is like a rainbow sweater, and I do like the colors, but I don't love the marled knit, like the multicolored knit. Yeah, but we'll see. It's by 525 America, and this is the Ryan Ombra Space Dye Pullover, yellow, size large. Yeah, so I'll try that on and see what you guys think, whether or not you like it. So I think there's another YouTuber that I follow called Sarah Kathleen, and I love all of her hauls, and I'm pretty sure she got this same top, and it is so bright. The camera is like not gonna pick this up. This is a hot pink top. It's by CC. It's a size large. It's got like a little pointed collar. Again, this is like very spring. This is not what I would consider for fall. Which is a little bit disappointing. I have seen a lot of Stitch Fix unboxers be kind of disappointed in the fall selections because they're all looking for like cozy fall stuff, and we all just keep getting like florals, so in like bright colors. This I do think would look cute underneath like a dress or something like that with the little collar pointed, like peeking out, but I know for a fact I won't be keeping that. The next one is cut from the cloth, and this floral is so pretty. I do really like this floral. It's on like a teal background with a purple and like whitish lavender floral. It is sheer. It has a breast pocket for whatever reason. But this one will be really cute to try on. I think I do like that a lot. That's also a size large. This one is the Sinclair button-down blouse by Cut from the Cloth. Okay, and last one. This is by Pale Sky. And I thought this was embroidered at first, but it's not. It's just kind of like printed on. And again, very spring and like floral-y and not very fall. But very pretty too. I do like this top. And I will try it on, but given like the lightweight fabric and like the light floral print, this is not really what I'm looking for at this time of year, unfortunately. I mean, I do live in New England. It's gets very cold here, like, you know, negative temperatures and like wind chill of -13, and if I stepped outside the house in this top, I would freeze to death. So Yeah, I'm definitely looking for more like sweaters and cozy and things like that. So, but I didn't, to be fair, I didn't give her any guidance because I forgot to fill out my little comments section before she shipped the box, so. So let's see what my stylist has to say, and then we'll go over the prices together. So this one, she said she's sorry that my birthday fix was a miss. That was my last fix. She said, I'm hoping to turn things around this time with some fall picks in colors and styles that you're digging. Well, I don't know about fall, but I know you like jewel tones, so I chose the magenta blouse from CC Sportswear. It can totally be made more casual with your favorite jeans or a coordinating heel or boot. I'm always looking out for unique pieces for you because you have a lot of the basics. I know you mentioned last time that you're liking button-down pieces, so I chose the retro floral and purple. That was the cut from the cloth top that I really liked. You included a very similar shirt to the light blue top from Pale Sky, probably on my style board because I do use their style board, and this is definitely something that I would pin on there. So I made sure to add it to this fix, and as the weather is cooling off, I thought you'd enjoy the colorful pullover with an ombre effect for your love of brights. I hope this delivery finds you well and enjoy. So, I mean, I do think that she thinks about, what I like, and I think that I'll be able to style all of these pieces, but she probably lives somewhere where it's not, because most Stitch Fix stylists live on the West Coast, so it's not quite as cold there, and they might not understand exactly what kind of weather we end up with. Right now it's 50 degrees outside, and I would be cold wearing any of these except for the sweater. So okay, now we are going to find out how much these pieces are. So the 525 America Ryan Ombre Space Dye Pullover was $78. The CC Sportswear top, $58 for that magenta top. Oh my gosh. That's a hard no. Cut from the cloth Sinclair button down purple, $68. The Pale Sky, embroidery look stripe and floral top was $68. And the earrings were $38. So from all of that, honestly, the only reasonable price there was the earrings. I think while I do love some of the styles, I would not call the quality so much better than Target that it needs to be double the price. For me, I think this stitch may be just a little bit too expensive. The Stylist pick subtotal was $310, and the buy all discount, if I were to buy everything, which I'm not going to, would be $77.50, making the order subtotal about $232.50, which is on par, to be fair, with what I usually ask my boxes to be. I usually ask for them to be somewhere around the $200 mark, but I also would hope for more of a mix of dresses and pants and stuff in that price range. So that's it. There you have it. That is my stitch for September, and I'll be getting another one towards the end of October. I will leave some feedback on this and just let her know that I can't really wear these pieces right now, and that I'm definitely looking for more fall themed, actual fall winter stuff at this point. But let me know down in the comments if there's anything that you really loved, if there's anything you really think I should keep. I won't return these right away. I'm gonna wait and listen and see what you guys have to say, and then we can kind of like make a decision together. So yeah, let me know down in the comments what your favorite piece was, what your least favorite piece was, and if you think I should keep anything. And I will see you for my next video. Thanks so much, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.